Bet you didn't know there existed so many secret shortcuts on that keyboard of yours, which can act like little lifesavers when you want to function faster than the fastest. Just like Ctrl+V letter key can be used for pasting something you copied, there are more combinations that can help you save time and control tasks with the help of keys. These hot combos can make life easier for those who hate the act of switching from mouse to keypad and back. This list sticks to handy keys in the Windows and Mac, as it is the most widely used. In this video we brought you 10 unique computer shortcuts that will make your work easy. Before we begin, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 10. To minimize. Press Windows key plus D or Windows key plus M. For Mac users, Command plus D. This shortcut shows you the desktop when you press it on the keyboard if you want your PC or laptop's windows to quickly minimize. It minimizes all open windows immediately. Pressing the Windows key with the letter D or letter M acts the same way. Saves you if you don't want to show a certain person what you're onto in case they walk in on you without notice. Number 9. To open My Computer, press Windows key plus E in Windows and Command plus E for Mac users. By pressing these two buttons on your keyboard together opens My Computer, where you can browse your system and access any file, folder, or application on your PC or laptop. This shortcut is helpful as you wouldn't have to waver from your work, type My Computer on the keyboard, or look for the My Computer icon on the desktop. These keys in tandem fulfill the deed for you. Number 8. To change the login user, press Windows key plus L in Windows and Command plus L for Mac users. These two keys, when pressed together, changes the current logged-in user to the screen where you can log in to another user. If there is only one user on your PC, this will automatically lock the workstation with the option of logging into the user again. This maintains your privacy, which is very important. Moreover, this shortcut gets better if you have a password on your PC, as then only pressing these keys on your keyboard will give you the freedom to leave your system with all your applications running. Without the fear of invasion of security, none of your unsaved work will disappear either. Number 7. To open a new window or documents immediately, press Ctrl key plus N in Windows and Command plus N for Mac users. Most of the time, when you are working on a Word document or need to open a new document, or Windows on the other hand, you don't want to waste your time going all the way to File tab to open a new Windows or document. Now, if you press these two keys together, the new document will appear immediately. Isn't that cool? Number 6. To switch focus to the taskbar, press Windows key plus T in Windows and Command plus T for Mac users. When the Windows key is pressed along with the letter T key on your keyboard, you can directly switch focus to the taskbar at the bottom left corner. This way, you can move right, left, up, and down using your arrow keys to switch between different programs that are running, such as Chrome, MS Word, Note Tab Lite, etc. Number 5. To restore a closed tab, Ctrl plus Shift plus T. For Mac users, click Command plus Shift plus T. Most of the time you might close a tab you are working on it accidentally, or because of electricity. Now in order to restore your closed tab, just click Ctrl plus Shift plus T in Windows and Command plus Shift plus T in Mac user to restore your closed tab. Or bookmark this video for not forgetting any of these shortcuts. Now let us know in the comments section what computer shortcut you are using the most. This shortcut stands valid for all previously closed tabs in one Chrome session. This one's a sure shot lifesaver. Number 4. To select the first icon in the notification area, Windows key plus B. For Mac user, Command plus B. This combination on your keyboard selects the first icon in the notification area, bottom right, which then lets you switch between the icons using left and right arrow keys. It is one of the best combinations that will ease your work by giving you access over Wi-Fi control bar, volume control bar, battery status bar, language bar, and date and time bar through your keypad. Number 3. To close your hanging application for not functioning well. If your PC ever starts hanging or any application is not running smoothly, then what do? No shortcut. You open the Task Manager and try to kill the process. Now, you don't have to open the Task Manager as your keyboard can save the time it takes to look for it. Just press Ctrl plus Shift plus S key. These keys perform just that for you. Go, kill the process. Number 2. The Maximizer minimize any of your Windows tab or applications. If you ever feel too lazy to maximize the current window you are working on, or minimize it, then these two keys will be good friends of yours. You can use Window key plus down arrow key to minimize the current window you are on, and do just the opposite with this shortcut, in order to maximize the window you are on, just like zoom in and zoom out. Number 1. Our last shortcut in this series to save the current web page is a bookmark. This one will definitely help you a lot because you will be able to open your favorite page just by one click. Just press Ctrl plus D and the web you are in will be bookmarked. And for Mac user it's Command plus D. Now, let's see if this actually works. Go ahead and try it now. Fantastic, now this list of shortcuts will be in front of you forever. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to see more useful tips like this video.